What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Chevy Nova. This one here has a small block 350 under the hood, no power steering. A very clean car all the way around. Disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. What I like to do is a test drive, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and we can ship these cars all over the US. I do post videos almost every single day, so please hit that subscribe button if you want to see American classics. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before we take off. Go ahead, do you think the horn works? You can hit up that pole. Dash is in good shape. Carpet's nice and clean in this one. The seats look awesome. We will be doing a separate video here shortly so you can see it as well. It is a walk around video of this car, pointing out any kind of flaws on the interior, inside the trunks, and some undercarriage shots. We'll go ahead and start this up. As soon as I started it up, you can see the oil pressure came up to almost 50. Water temperature's up to 150. The fan's actually on the blower motor right now. I'm gonna cut it off because it's pretty warm. Wipers, they do work. And does the horn work? It does. Wonder how many of y'all lost that bet. All right, on the dash, it's showing 64,000 miles. Hard to stand behind that, especially when it's got a different motor in it. And the gas gauge, I kind of think that works. So we're gonna stop to the gas station and make sure we don't run out. Let's take off. All right, getting ready to take off here. Click my seatbelt on. Anything that I see, I will point out and let you know. I want you to know everything about them before you get here. I don't think I cut that blower motor off. I can't. It's actually like it's stuck on. Switch isn't cutting anything off. Well, it's not hot air anymore, so I can deal with it. Speedometer is coming up. A little bit of slack in the steering. Speedo's way off. It says we're going 60. We're just kind of cruising down the road right now. So definitely not doing 60. Old classic truck we just passed back here. The suspension on this one's pretty stiff. Go ahead and try our brakes out. Brakes are stopping pretty good. Yeah, that gas gauge is moving around a little bit, so I'm definitely going straight there. That way we don't run out. Definitely going to need some front end work with the slack that's in the steering. Might as well throw power steering on this thing too. All right, I'm gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in here, and let you know if this gauge is working. So I got about $4 in the gas tank and realized it was completely full. Our gas gauge is not working on this one. But we will keep rolling down the road. All right, going for that virtual test drive now. Does that look pretty good there? Feel like it. Maybe I can adjust y'all a little bit more. There we go. All right, we're gonna pull out here. We've been circling this parking lot, riding around, and it is showing about 190 on the temp gauge. I guarantee you it's about to go back down to 180. The oil pressure's at 20. Of course, when you give it throttle, it jumps up to 30 easily. Hopefully I don't turn my head too much because I don't want people to cream us. But I also don't want to make y'all dizzy, so minimal head turn here. Notice the air vents have had this little black soot stuff coming out of it. It's like the foam is deteriorating inside the vent system, so that'll have to be replaced. One thing I didn't go over, the turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. The biggest thing about this car is the steering. It's just nice and loose there, so that's gonna have to be adjusted. You can feel it too. Adjusted it, or some stuff's gonna need to be replaced. But of course, as y'all know, we buy and sell cars here. We don't get into any major repairs. We try not to buy anything with major repairs or needing any. But that's why we tell you about it. This road up here's got a big old speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it at a moderate speed, kind of test out the suspension. It's right here. This one's a little bit bumpy on the suspension. All right. pull on back in the lot here. I got some more cars I want to get to today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the test drive video. We'll be trying to get some more stuff done. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this almost every single day. We do have a full classic car lot full of American muscle cars that you can check out. They're all over YouTube. We do this with every car. And we're gonna try something new next week. I'm gonna try to get ahead on everything all the time and stay that way. Appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the country. All right, guys, I'm gonna get to the next one. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again.